Yesterday evening, the Hills district of Sydney was hit by 2 storm cells. These were very significant weather events by Sydney standards, with large hail in some areas, branches down, trees uprooted and roof damage. More than 45,000 homes were left without power. The first storm cell brought very strong gusty winds and torrential rain. The second brought more rain, but the wind speed was lower. Each only lasted 10 minutes or so over our home. Of course, by Filipino standards, this was a minor event. That's torrential rain. Yeah. We've just had a pretty serious thunderstorm go through here. It's brought down a lot of branches from the big trees around our property, blown a chair around. I've just checked the roof, there doesn't seem to be any damage. Backyard's not normally this messy. Oh, that's off the roof. That's probably the biggest branch that's come down in our place. A lot of bark has been stripped off the large trees. There's one of the large trees up the back here. Another huge tree up here. A lot of bark's come down from these. Judging by the sky over there, there's still some more to come. Now, our neighbour 2 doors away, John, has had quite a large branch come down in his driveway. And I think they're out. My goodness. Go across the road, across the cul-de-sac. See, a lot of other stuff has come down as well. This is a big one. Move this off the road. truck has been lucky. There's debris all around it, but I don't think there's any damage. And look at this. Big branch has just missed his truck. Probably hear the thunder rumbling. I think we're going to get some more. We were lucky. Short interruption to the electricity supply, but everything seems to be back on again. There's that big tree up the back. You can see the two big trees up behind our place. They're the ones that have lost a lot of smallish branches, small to medium branches, and been stripped of bark. I've checked the tiles, don't seem to be any broken tiles. All in all, we've been very lucky. This is round 2 of the storm. We were able to get out after the first round finished, and before this one started we were able to get out and check that everything was okay. And it appears to be okay, can't see any damage anywhere. This I don't think the winds are strong this time. I think the rain's heavier, but the wind is not as strong. Heavy rains now scudding across the cul-de-sac. Thunder. Large branches come down over near that pickup truck. The other side of the cul-de-sac looks like it's missed the pickup. How lucky can you get?
Drove in and then came over and started to drag branches off. And then I came out the front door, and it was pouring in even on the front lane. It's never happened before.
Okay, what I need you to do is all look up and point.
Forget about it.
Hey, Jen, you gotta look up and point. We're all gonna look up
Picture
and
of me
point.
throwing James.
Bloody hell, way!
Everyone points. Oh, come on.
Let's have a serious look on our face, huh?
And that tree behind me, big tree, just come down. Next door's gonna
Should be a bit of water running down the creek. Give it a flush out, which will be good. There's another bridge over the creek down here a few hundred metres. Go down and have a look at that. Before the storm there was only a trickle coming down into this creek. It's been so long since we've had any good rain. Here's the other bridge. In times of torrential rain, these bridges go underwater, but that's not the case today. There was torrential, but it didn't last long, just 10 or 15 minutes. Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm just filming the water on somebody's cricket ball, tennis ball. I'm just having a look at the creek. There hasn't been much water flowing down the creek lately. This will be good for it.
Look at the other side.
What's happening?
There's a lot of stuff on the other side. Are you filming?
I am. There'll be a lot more water coming down here in the next half hour or so, so be very careful, won't you? It'll get deeper and faster. This is a house less than 300 metres as the crow flies from our place. Had a lucky escape as well. Everybody seems to have been having luck in this storm. You can see a tree has broken off about 10 feet above the ground, and it's fallen, instead of falling on the house, it's fallen a little bit away from the house. As it fell, it's brought down the power line, so I better be careful. I'm sure the power would have been cut by now. Let's just have a look around. It's fallen on a trampoline. Wow, that is scary. And the tip of the tree has come all the way out to the gutter.